India celebrates 72nd Republic Day, commemorating the enforcement of Indian Constitution on January 26, 1950. President Ramnath Kovind receives salute at Rajpath in the national capital. Manipur holds 72nd Republic Day celebrations of India under tight security amid total shutdown called by various proscribed groups. Police confronts many journalists, including Impact News team deputed to cover Republic Day celebration held at First Manipur Rifles ground. Guru Ruben Mashangvu and Hawam Ongbi Radhi Devi of Manipur among the 102 eminent persons honored with JOYSHREE 2021. India logs lowest single-day spike of 9,102 new COVID-19 cases, taking country's tally above 1,676,000. Recovery rates nears 97%. And Kabui community begins 5-day Chakan Gangai festival with traditional fervor and gaiety in subdued manner amid COVID-19 pandemic. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm JOYSHRee. To stay protected from coronavirus, wash your hands frequently, wear your mask properly and maintain a safe distance. Now the top stories and latest news at this hour. India celebrates its 72nd Republic Day today, commemorating the enforcement of Indian Constitution on this day in 1950. The main function was held at Rajpath in the national capital, where President Ramnath Kovind took the salute of the parade. India's military might, cultural diversity, social and economic progress were on display during the Republic Day celebrations at the Rajpath. 32 tableaux, 17 from states and union territories, 9 from various ministries or departments and paramilitary forces, and 6 from the Ministry of Defense were rolled down the Rajpath. Some of the highlights of the tableau were Vision for Carbon Neutral Ladakh, Sun Temple of Modhera, Gujarat, Tea Tribes of Assam, Splendorous Sounds of Chhattisgarh's folk music, Choir of Kerala, Digital Bharat, 4 Labour Courts, Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, New India, Vocal for Local, CRPF and BRO. School children performed Basasal dance of Odisha, Tamil Nadu folk dance and team dances on Hum Fit Sto India Fit and Atmanirbhar Bharat. Rafale fighter jets, which were included in the Indian Air Force IAF last year, featured in the Republic Day parade and culminated the fly past by carrying out the vertical Charlie formation. A 122-member proud contingent of the Bangladesh Armed Forces also marched on Rajpath. This morning, the Republic Day parade ceremony started with Prime Minister Narendra Modi visiting the National War Memorial, where he led the nation in paying solemn tributes to the fallen heroes by laying a wreath. The national flag was unfurled, followed by the national anthem with a booming 21-gun salute. The parade commenced with President Ramnath Kovind taking the salute. Owing to COVID-19 pandemic, the parade route was shortened this year. The parade started from Vijay Chowk as usual but culminated at the National Stadium instead of ending at the Red Fort. Only around 25,000 spectators were allowed to witness the parade as compared to the average of 1.15 lakh people every year. Manipur joins the 72nd Republic Day celebrations of India under tight security amid bomb threats and total shutdown called by various proscribed outfits. The almost deserted roads of Imphal city were adorned with with Indian flags and decorative gates erected by various government departments. The state-level celebration was held at the historic Kangla Fort with Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla unfurling the national flag and taking salute from different march past contingents. The celebration began with the governor inspecting the guard of honor accorded by a contingent of 8 IRB and commanded by Deputy Commandant of 7th Manipur Rifles, Reena Haubam. Later, Dr. Najma Heptulla unfurls the national tricolor amidst playing of the national anthem. The governor then took salute from march contingents, including 6 band contingents. 20 different government departments showcased their works and achievements by displaying tableaus. Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla handed over President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service, Police Medal for Meritorious Service, and Fire Service Medal for Meritorious Awards to distinguished personnel on the occasion. IGP E. Priyokumar and Subedar M. Ibobi of 6th Indian Reserve Battalion received President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service, while Subedar of 4th IRB, Bangshidam Dimerton, Sub-Inspector CIDSB, Tuanja Hao Simte, Havildar of 6th IRB, Rongsheng Leye, Rifleman of 1st IRB, MD Shahid Ahmad, Havildar of 1st MR Sanabam Bishorjit, Havildar of Manipur Police Training College, MPTC, AS Mayungkui Zimik, and MPTC Havildar Lukram Lenin Mite received the Police Medal for Meritorious Service Awards. Recipients of President's Fire Service Medal for Meritorious Service were leading fireman K.H. Balanda and fireman Thangkhomang Thado. Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla took march past salute of contingents, including a cultural troupe and tableau with Samurai Latpam Jugeshwar Sharma of 10th Indian Reserve Battalion as the parade commandant. The contingents are BSF contingent, CRPF contingent, 165 Manipur Terriers Pipe Band, Manipur Rifles 5th Battalion, 8 Indian Reserve Battalion, Combined Civil Police, Home Guards, Mahila Battalion, NCC contingent, and Cultural Troop, Singja Kombi Maitei Lipun Kangla contingent. The state-level Republic Day parade started from Manipur Rifles ground, passed through Koyaktong Road and entered the northern gate of Kangla to give salute at Kangla's saluting base and exit through Kangla's southern gate to finally culminate at its initial point. Chief Minister Nongthumam Biren and his Council of Ministers, the Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Yumnam Khemchan, MLAs, civil and police top officials attended the event, giving vote of thanks to the mass march contingents and other officials present at 1st Manipur Rifles Battalion Parade Ground. Chief Minister N. Biren said that celebration of Republic Day was a proud moment and important for every citizen as the Constitution of India came into force on this day. Overall, Republic Day celebrations were held successfully despite total shutdown and threats by various proscribed groups. Public came out to get a glimpse of the Republic Day parade at Kangla Road, Imphal, MG Avenue Road, Koyatong, Traffic Island, and Northern Gate of Kangla Fort at North AOC since early morning. State and central paramilitary forces kept a strict vigil to avoid any untoward incident. There is no report of any unwanted incident till the time of filing this report. The biggest Indian flag in Manipur was unfurled at Imphal International Airport on 72nd Republic Day today. A director of Imphal International Airport, P. Lokanant, hoisted the flag in the presence of airport staffs, Manipur police personnel and health department officials. Healthcare workers who are playing major role in battling COVID-19 pandemic were felicitated at the event. CISF personnel guarding the airport paraded and various talent shows marked the celebration.
I would like to congratulate our Team Indigo to become the world's 7th biggest airline in the history. Before proceeding further, I feel it's our duty to remember 2 of our team members who became recent victims of the pandemic, that is Mr. Pimson, Agent Commandant CSF, and Mr. BP Sharma, Regional Director, BCAS. The Imphal Airport will always remember their services and sacrifices. Both of them will remain close to our hearts forever.
District Administration of Imphal East also observed 72nd Republic Day celebration at Star Sporting Club ground, Porampat. Imphal East DC Kumantem Daina took the salute of 14 mass march contingents, 8 tableau display contingents and 3 cultural troop contingents. Imphal East SP Jogesh Chandra Hawijam, Imphal East Adhyaksha, Upa-Adhyaksha and top officials of various departments of Imphal East District attended the event. DC Kumanthiem Daina highlighted various welfare undertakings of the Imphal East District Administration on the occasion.
District Asiki Oina 2020 Chahida COVID pandemic Lairabasu Lupa lakh 14,638 revenue land revenue tax registration fee dana Lupa lakh 32 lakh 71,354 same fee the Lupa 88 lakh 40,872 gun license fee the Lupa lakh 41,965 Amadi inner line permit fee the Lupa lakh for 85,800 Khomgatpa Ngamki. District Administration Manipur Paddy Land and Conservation Act 2014 gi makhada district asida lairiba agricultural land bu kannabagi damak amadi agriculture gi pothok phagat hannabagi akanba khongjang district agriculture officer amadi district police ka khutsam naraga chathari.
Republic Day celebration was also held at Bishnupur new mini secretariat complex today. Deputy Commissioner Nita Arambam and SP Bishnupur Priyadarshini Laishram attended the event. Oinam MLA cum MPCB and KVIB Chairman L. Radakishore, Chairperson of Bishnupur Municipal Council L. Maniyaima and district level officers of various departments attended the event. Street plays on Beti Bachao, Beti Barao and COVID-19 vaccination by ICDS and CMO Bishnupur and martial arts were showcased at the event. 37 employees from various departments were felicitated on the occasion. Cash awards and certificates were presented to 14 doctors, 5 COVID warriors, 2 MSPDCL employees and 5 PWD employees. District Administration Zirbam also observed the 72nd Republic Day at Zirbam Higher Secondary School playground in Babupara. Zirbam DC W. Malimganba Chenglei commenced the event by hoisting the tricolor flag of India and took the salute of 6 parade contingents under Parade Commander, Assistant Commandant of 7th IRB T.S. Chamna Anal. Various departmental and members of CSOs were felicitated on the occasion.
The first contingent approaching towards the saluting base is 87th Battalion CRPF led by Platoon Commander.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC also held the 72nd Republic Day celebrations along with the 106th birth anniversary of freedom fighter Rani Gaidinliu at Congress Bhavan, BT Road today. CLP leader Okrami Bobi, MPCC President Govindas Kontaujam, CWC member Gaikangam and Congress party leaders and workers attended the event. MPCC President Govindas Kontaujam commenced the event by hoisting the tricolor flag of India. Attendees paid floral tributes to the portrait of Rani Gaidinliu.
Ninka tamdringi mamangda oni ninka hek tamba matunda baro chikaram bapibam da leirami machina harashe prithivigi manungda super powers manungda countries ki manungda harashe da mafri bese machina irai na apnate sahi mari mangada mangatara da koi adugumba mama leibak kidam kada mapunsi kathokraba adugumba mahapurusing makamda koina ningshinga nungaiba adu koi ongna koi.
The High Court of Manipur also observed the 72nd Republic Day at the court complex in Chingmairong. Chief Justice Ramalingam Sudarkar hoisted the tricolor Indian flag. 182nd CRPF Battalion and MP CTC gave Rashtriya salute and sang the national anthem. Justice Lanusukam Jamir, Justice K.H. Nobain and Justice A. Bimol were present on the occasion. Courts across the state also held Republic Day celebrations. Cherab Court, Family Court and Special Court ND and PS Lamphel also joined in Republic Day celebrations today. Manipur State Legal Services Authority also celebrated Republic Day at ADR Center, Lamphel Court Complex today. Masalsa Member Secretary Golmai Gaifunsillu unfurls the tricolor flag of India at the center. Tricolor flag of India's of India were also unfurled at NDNPS Special Court, Family Court, Manipur and Civil Judges Senior Division Court Complex. Judges, judicial officers posted at Lamphel Court Complex, Masalsa staff and police personnel attended the event. Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, also observed the 72nd Republic Day today. Director, Professor of RIMS, A. Shanta, hoisted the tricolor flag of India. MS, doctors and RIMS staff attended the event. On the other hand, police confronted many journalists, including Impact News team, who went to cover the Republic Day celebration held at First Manipur Rifles ground, which was attended by Chief Minister Nongtam Bambiren. Media persons were denied entry even after showing their vehicle pass at Kashampa Junction by a police team led by Manipur Police Additional SP Prosecution Sangmita. It may be mentioned that in the previous years, media persons were allowed entry on production of vehicle pass issued by one's respective media houses. Impact News team were told to park their vehicle at Kashampa Junction and walk up till the First Manipur Rifles ground to cover the event.
ngasi ase India gi una yamna chawthok siningai oba numit sing mongda amani ngasi si maru ina India gi koi Republic Day ne haidu na ngasi Manipur gi tongan tongan pham ga da ngasi yamna paksan na celebrate to kan da India gi citizen sing na haiba numit asi participate to ba du mafam da magi oijaba mong ma to da koi nungai ba phongdok na ri loina na haiba numit asi ga mari leina na अखोगी कंगला ममांग अमदी अखोई फासिमा दा हौजी हौजी स्टेट लेंगांग सिलकान यामना चावना अखोई रिपब्लिक डे की थौरमसी सिल्ली अदुबु हाइबा नुमित असिदा यामना लाइबक थिबा अमना हाइबा थौरमसीबु कवर तो वसंगदबा मीडिया पर्सन सिंग फावबा हाइबा अखोई कैसामपा की जंक्शन असिदा मणिपुर पुलिस की माइकैदगी अथिंगबा थमकांदा संगबा याहंदबा लोइनाना अखोई मीडिया पर्सन सिंगना मागी ऑफिस दा फाव संगकांदा गाड़ी खांगबे हाइबा फावबा याहंदना हौजी मणिपुर पुलिस के माइकैदगी हाइबा तोंगान मखनगी अखोई गाड़ी सिंग संहंदबना सिंगबगी असिगुंबा थौंग सिंग असि चथादी हाइबा थौंग सिंग असि अखोई ममांगी चही सिंगददी अखोई मीडिया पर्सन सिंगना अखोई पाव लौबा अमदी मागी ऑफिस सिंगदा यामना फ्रीली होना चलहलंबा तारगसु हंतकी चही असिदी यामना सिलिबा पुलिस पर्सनल सिंगना ममांगा मानदा मो अमदा अखोई मीडिया पर्सन सिंग पाव थिंगपा सिन मरमकाना पांथोइबा रिपब्लिक डे की वाहन तो असि असो वसांग सिंग खक्तगी ओइना पांथोइब्रा कोई मिसम मियाम अमदी मीडिया पर्सन सिंगना हाइबा थौरमसी सरुक याबा यादब्रा नत्रका हाइबा थौरमसी दा अखोई मीडिया पर्सन सिंगना संग फावबा याहंद्रबा यसि ngasi ke sumba police ke sumba thong asina aso wang amori impact news ke mak camera person number 1 bisojit kelona na myang da pawdam jari bai sai rang musuk Kashampa junction.
The government of India has announced 119 Padma Awards for this year. The Padma Awards, one of the highest civilian awards of the country, are conferred in 3 categories of Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. 7 eminent persons bagged a Padma Vibhushan 2021, including former Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe in Public Affairs category. Late Assam Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi was also awarded Padma Vibhushan in Public Affairs posthumously. 102 persons were conferred with Padma Shri 2021, including Guru Ruben Mashangvu of Manipur in art category and Haubam Ongbi Radhe Devi of Manipur in artisan category. Congratulating the Padma awardees, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said, quote unquote, India cherishes their contribution to the nation and humanity at large. These exceptional individuals from different walks of life have brought qualitative changes in the lives of others. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you updates on coronavirus cases in India and the world. Keep watching Impact News.
Box time.
Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. India has recorded lowest single-day spike of 9,102 new cases of coronavirus, taking the country's COVID-19 caseload to 1,676,838 in the last 24 hours. As per the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, death toll has reached 1,53,587 with 117 new fatalities. On a positive note, recovered cases have reached 1,03,45,984 2025 with 15,901 new recoveries. Country's recovery rate touches 96.90%. Kerala has the highest infection of above 70,000 active cases. Total 20,23,809 beneficiaries have been vaccinated against COVID-19 in India till yesterday. Globally, above 9,97,83,000 people have been infected by coronavirus. Above 2,1,39,000 people have died, and recoveries are above 7,17,76,000. USA has the highest infection of above 98,62,000 active cases in the world, followed by India and Brazil. China stands at 83rd position with 1,849 active cases of COVID-19. In the northeast region of India, Assam's total confirmed COVID-19 cases stand at 2,17,017, out of which 2,265 are active cases. Manipur's total confirmed COVID-19 cases reach 28,997, out of which 186 are active cases. A total of 2,485 beneficiaries have been vaccinated against COVID-19 in Manipur so far, while Sikkim's COVID tally stands at 6,072, out of which 115 are active cases. Meghalaya's tally stands at 13,734, out of which 104 are active cases. Nagaland's tally stands at 12,079, out of which 96 are active cases. Arunachal Pradesh's COVID-19 tally stands at 16,820 and active cases are just 15. Tripura's tally reaches 33,343, out of which 28 are active cases, and there are 49 active cases of COVID-19 in Mizoram. Kabui community today begins 5-day celebrations of Gangai, also known as Chakan Gangai, across the state. State-level Gangai Celebration Committee kicked off Gangai celebrations on the theme "Loss of Religion is Loss of Culture, Loss of Culture is Loss of Identity" at Iboyaima Shubang Lila Shanglen in Palace Compound. Speaking on the occasion, Vice President of Tingkang Rangwang Chapriak, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Chunkairung Kamaisat, Gangai is the biggest post-harvest festival of the Kabui community. He said that the festival relieves the rituals, culture and identity preserved by the forefathers. Chunkairung also said that the festival aimed to preserve rituals, culture and identity of the community. Traditional performances and discourse on Gangai marked the event.
Akhoi Nat ki ipai pune thamam rich cultural heritage se masi pangthuaga, we are not only preserving but we are also protecting it and we are promoting it, and at the same time we are also propagating it. Asine masina chafokna haijaba yai khoi gi furup asida kanagum khara di khoi gi western influence laktuna proselytization haibitare conversion tawduna chatkhiba yaure TRC de leiba kangbu singna di chatpase mase khoi ipai pu singna suyamna maman tangaba maman naidro pot samam mase mase khoina chaluraga di khoi gi cultural identity de natana khoi isa gi furup se mase tungda mang po yai haibadi mase mang ba yaroi mase khoina protect tawraga ngak sene thamgodabani haibi thim se da mate pangthok sa.
Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. India celebrates 72nd Republic Day, commemorating the enforcement of Indian Constitution on January 26, 1950. President Ramnath Kovind receives salute at Rajpath in national capital. Manipur holds 72nd Republic Day celebrations of India under tight security amid total shutdown caused by various proscribed groups. Police confronts many journalists, including Impact News team deputed to cover Republic Day celebration held at First Manipur Rifles ground. Guru Ruben Mashangvu and Haubam Ongbi Radhe Devi of Manipur among the 102 eminent persons honored with Padma Shri 2021. India logs lowest single-day spike of 9,102 new COVID-19 cases, taking country's tally above 1,676,000. Recovery rate nears 97%. And Kabui community begins 5-day Chakan Kangai festival with traditional fervor and gaiety in subdued manner amid COVID-19 pandemic.